guys.
Hi guys.
I can't get that camera roll really good, but I'm Sparkle Girl and she is
Slime Girl.
la la la. And today we are working on our slime. So as you can see, that one is bad. So we're not going to work on that one because underneath it is really good slime. This one's kind of watery, so we're gonna have to work on this. This one is kind of like a cloud slime with Orbeez in it, but I didn't add any instant snow, did I?
No.
Okay, guys. So I was only going. By the way, that needs to be at the bottom. If it's at the top, then I'm upside down. Okay, just let me know. Okay. So we was only going because this slime here just is got on my jacket. So basically we have a wet slime there. We've got this slime that is really good. So yeah, and that slime's super good as well. What are you trying to
motivate?
Yeah, I know. We're gonna solve it all in a minute. Oh my gosh. Sparkle. Slime Girl. Stop it. Okay. Right, just sit down. So, Slime Girl.
I'm finishing playing with fixing this slime.
Slime Girl.
Yes.
What do you think this shimmery slime reminds you of?
I don't know.
It kind of reminds me like mermaid tails, you know?
Yeah. Same.
It has mermaids on with mermaid tails. Okay, whatever. Hi friend boy, hi by the way. We're going to go to this kind of youth club thing. So we're taking you guys with us. Ha ha. Ha ha. That was so funny. I went and she went. So we're pretty much like Miranda's the thingies. So guys, this is the mermaid slime. It's made with Elmer's glue and shimmer paint.
Orbeez slime.
Oh guys, and also school's coming up. I'm getting so angry.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm holding it upside down again. But just slimes. Look, Orbeez are in there. Okay guys, so this shimmers and it was made with shimmer paint. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy the bloopers. It reminds me of bloomers. Does it?
Okay.
Okay, that's a bit of a blooper there, isn't it? Okay, so I'll see you guys in a sec. No. See you guys all later. Bye. You say bye, Slime.
Bye.
You never say bye. Do the peace out then. Peace. Oh, I was recording. Okay, whatever.
Bye. Peace out.
I think that's on you.
She said yeah.
Okay, bye guys. What? Okay guys, so she had to go for this meeting. Okay guys, so she had to go for this meeting thing. And we'll probably see you in our next video. Bye guys.